Okay, look at this one here. Just one or two things I need to point out here. It was actually done quite well. The table below lists masses of clay and wood purchased by an artist on 2 occasions, along with the total cost. Create 2 equations, solve simultaneously, and which is the more expensive and by how much. People are forgetting that last part. So what are we looking at here? We see how much clay they bought, total cost. So the unknowns is, okay, how much does a kilo of clay cost? Okay, and I'm going to put my units. Y I'm going to have is a kilo of wood in dollars. If you have units, use them. So in the first equation, I bought 5 kilos. Okay, so 5 kilos cost per kilo is X. 4 kilos of wood at a cost of Y per kilo. And that cost me, I don't need the units here. That cost me $35.50. That's equation A. Cool. Second equation, 3.5x plus 6y equals 50.45. That was equation B. Now, it's at this point you need to stop what you're doing and think about what paper you're involved in. You're involved in the tech assisted paper. So we should automatically go to the equation solve, equation on our main menu, select simultaneous, select 2 unknowns, and then type in the coefficients. We would type in to our graphics calculator, the 5, the 4, the $3, $35.50, 3.56, boom. It's so tailor-made for us to work on our graphics calculator. We don't have to change anything. So from the GC, okay, we hit solve and we see that X is 0.7 and Y they tell me is 8. Now we do need to translate that into what that means for us. Okay, that we can now see that clay costs 70 cents per kilo, wood costs $8 per kilo. Therefore, wood is more expensive, and it's more expensive by $7.30 a kilo. We've got to tell them how much the difference is. So this is a good example of using your graphics calculator intelligently and legitimately in the exam. So once you've established the equation, please, it's much more efficient and quicker. Use your graphics calculator, understand what X and Y is, that's why we define them, and that allows you to provide a solid answer for the reader. But please, can I encourage you use your graphics calculators. Cheers.